Hi, hello. This video is all about how to fix the broken toolbox. So this is my toolbox which I'm using since 3 years, and the hinges here is made up of plastic and it got broken long back, but I was just using by sticking this with a tape. So now I thought of replacing this tape with hinges. So what I did is I just bought a stainless steel hinges which costed me 20 rupees and some set of small screws. So altogether it cost me 30 rupees to fix the broken plastic hinge. So all that I wanted to do is I need to trim a portion of this region in order to fit the hinges flatly. So this portion will come on the top, and I need to screw it here. So it's not flat because of this plastic part which is blocking. So I plan to trim this place to exactly fit this hinges. So after drilling 2 screws, make sure the box is functioning properly. So if we need, we can trim the edges, but I think this is fair. It's not sharp. So now the 4 screws are in. Check again.